If you've ran into some errors so far in your programming, congratulations. You're an official developer. Errors are a normal part of the programming process, so we have to learn how to troubleshoot them. Type errors are when types of different type are not allowed to be combined. So with addition, you can only combine strings together and you can only combine numbers together, but you can't combine numbers and strings. We're going to take a look at some of those samples. In this example, we're trying to combine the string, my number is, string literal, with this integer, 1, 2, 3. When you run it, you might have seen this error previously. It says we can't convert int object to string implicitly.
This error means that the Python compiler is expecting to add another string to the first string. When it encounters an integer and doesn't know how to convert it to a string, it gives us this error.
So what we can do here is we can change this number into a string, and then that will run properly. So if you see the type error, it usually means number and string. That's the most common way it would work. Another way you could run into this is with a variable assignment. And so in this case, my number is an integer. And so now this number intro, where they're going to introduce the number, my number is 1, 2, 3, we hope it's going to print out, but we know that we can't add an integer with a string, and so we get this error. So again, we have to change from integer to string. Type errors are caused when there's an illegal operation involving a type. In the examples we saw, we can't combine an integer with a string. Always combine strings with strings to avoid the type error.